Now we're getting a breaking news. Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, is slated to visit North Bengal tomorrow, but the Bharatiya Janata Party has slammed Mamata, questioning her priorities and gone on to ask if attending a carnival is more important. Remember, this entire report coming in from the West Bengal Chief Minister's office that Mamata Banerjee, even though she's taking stock of the situation, she had called in an emergency meeting trying to understand and assess what really has happened, particularly in North Bengal. And yet the word that came in was that the Chief Minister is only going to visit the impacted areas tomorrow. That has been questioned by the Bharatiya Janata Party. We also have our colleague Kamalika now joining us. Kamalika, how bad is now the political landscape looking like in West Bengal, particularly after this calamity has taken shape, and there are so many lives that have been lost only on account of the Chief Minister's decision not to visit the spot today but tomorrow?
Definitely a very big question that has been raised by BJP, and here the death toll, though there is no official confirmation, but what we are getting, it's near about 20. The death toll is. So the situation is really grim out there. And as we speak, I just got this information that BJP State President Shomik Bhattacharya, he himself is on his way to North Bengal tonight. Tomorrow in the morning, the chief minister will go. So definitely BJP is up in guns, and they are raising this question that when such a situation is in the state, how come this carnival, she is celebrating the carnival when near about 20 people has died? That is the big question which the BJP is raising. Not only Shamik Bhattacharya, but also the MLAs of BJP MLAs of North Bengal, Shubhendu Adhikari, everybody is raising this question from opposition on the humanitarian ground, that how is it possible that in such a situation, no matter how much monitoring she is being doing from here, but the factor in the same state people are dying, then why she did not go today, or otherwise she did not cancel the carnival? That's a very big question. On the other hand, the Trinamool Congress is totally blaming, and also if we see Mamata Banerjee's tweet, the blame is on Bhutan. The flood on Bhutan every time creates flood in North Bengal. That is an issue which the Trinamool Congress is raising. And the Trinamool Congress time and again has spoken about Indo-Bhutan River Commission. So they are basically, the political war of words are going on. We know that the NDRF team is there, the disaster management team is there. We know the Raju-based MP has reached there. Also, the Trinamool Congress volunteers are there. The entire state administration is there. But the big question is, the situation is really grim. There is a forecast of more rain. If more rain takes place, then what is going to be the situation is going to be worse. And in such situation, this political question from BJP is raised that how come this carnival is taking place? It is not in the rituals of puja. Then why this carnival?
Right, Kamalika, do stay on with us. In fact, you were mentioning about Shamik Bhattacharya heading to those areas that have been impacted in North Bengal. Kamalika did speak to him as well. Let's take a look.
Today there is a flood situation and there is a carnival. You have already raised this question. What is your point actually?
देखिए, नेचुरल डिजास्टर्स को लेकर के किसी ने पहले से कुछ बता नहीं सकते, लेकिन आज का जो सिचुएशन है, दुखद भरा घटना का बाद राज्य की मुख्यमंत्री को आज तुरंत उत्तर बंगाल में पहुंच जाना चाहिए था, लेकिन आज कार्निवल हो रहा है। तो ये फेस्टिविटी का क्या जरूरत था? क्या देवी दुर्गा खुश है मुख्यमंत्री जी का ऐसा आचरण पर? उत्तर बंगाल में अभी 21 लोगों की मौत की खबर आ चुके हैं, संख्या और बढ़ सकते हैं। नेशनल डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट काम कर रहे हैं। पश्चिम बंगाल की सरकार की ओर से इस सिचुएशन को कम्बैट करने के लिए जो इनिशिएटिव लेना चाहिए था, वो लेने के लिए ये लोग तैयार नहीं है, ये इनकॉम्पिटेंट है। पिछले 14 साल से उत्तर बंगाल की जो कुदरत है उसका खिलाफ तृणमूल कांग्रेस युद्ध घोषणा कर दिया। ऑपरेशन फॉरेस्ट, जंगल का सारे काट तृणमूल लूट लिया। छोटे छोटे जो नदी है उससे बोल्डर निकाल लिया। इलीगल सैंड माइनिंग का काम चल रहे हैं। कुचबिहार जैसा शहर पश्चिम बंगाल का सबसे सुंदर और सबसे वेल प्लान्ड शहर है, वो भी आज पानी के चपेट में आ गया। सारे वार्ड में पानी घुस गया। कैसे हुआ ये? उसका जो ड्रेनेज सिस्टम है उसको मेंटेन करने के लिए भी तृणमूल कांग्रेस सक्षम नहीं है। सारे के सारे म्यूनिसिपैलिटी जो दखल कर लिया, जिसमें कोई चुनाव होने नहीं दिया, सभी जगह पे तृणमूल कांग्रेस, राज्य में भी तृणमूल कांग्रेस, म्यूनिसिपैलिटी में भी तृणमूल कांग्रेस, गांव का पंचायत वो भी तृणमूल कांग्रेस था। लेकिन किसी जगह पे भी प्राकृतिक आपदाओं का साथ लड़ने के लिए तृणमूल के पास कोई व्यवस्था नहीं है। एक इनह्यूमन फेस इस सरकार का आज फिर देश की जनता देख रहे हैं। लोग मर रहे हैं, लोगों का घर पानी में बह जा रहे हैं, सारे सड़कें टूट रहे हैं, पीने का पानी नहीं है, कोई राहत नहीं है, और इस जगह में कलकत्ता में फेस्टिवल हो रहा है।
There's a response that's coming in from the Trinamool Congress as they have now decided to hit back at the allegations that are being leveled against them by the BJP. TMC is saying that West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is rushing to North Bengal tomorrow while monitoring the situation continuously. My colleague Kamalika with all the details. Kamalika, we played out that reaction and that conversation that you had with Shamik Bhattacharya. There's also a response by Trinamool Congress that we learn of. So you were mentioning on how this back and forth, this political exchange is only going to grow. Major allegations that are now going to come in from the TMC as well, considering they are defending their chief minister, obviously. But that entire Bhutan issue, you talk about the Indo-Bhutan revised commission also, everything is part of the discourse now.
Yeah, absolutely. Now, this is one issue which the Trinamool Congress will raise because every time there is rain in Bhutan and there is the one portion of North Bengal is underwater, specifically Alipurduar and all. There was a resolution also in assembly passed on that, also asking the government, requesting the central government for this Indo-Bhutan River Commission. That is there, and they are going to really work on this. Not only that, they will also come up with this issue that there is no flood money that is generally given to West Bengal. But on the other hand, the fact is this rain has taken place in Darjeeling. The landslides have taken place mostly in Darjeeling and these areas. And this is because of also the rainfall that actually the low pressure which started in Uttar Pradesh, that had an eastward shift. So that rainfall is there. The Bhutan is one of the causes, but Bhutan plus rainfall, there was a red alert. That factor is also there. But it is clear that the Trinamool Congress and Mamata Banerjee in
there
a
a
tweet,
bit, Kamalika, we have Shukanto Majumdar who's joining us on the broadcast. I'll come back to you in just a bit. But Mr. Majumdar, thank you so much for being a part of this conversation. There is a response that has come in from the Trinamool Congress. They are talking about how the Chief Minister is constantly in touch with the authorities, with the administration there in North Bengal. She's closely monitoring the situation. BJP is, of course, saying that her priorities are not in place.
Now, see, today carnival is going on in the different part of the state of West Bengal. I don't know whether the government has cancelled it or not. And today it was it was planned that Mamata Banerjee would attend that carnival at Red Road. So, what is the priority for the TMC government? It is quite clear and evident from the activities of the present government. But the thing is that it's a huge rainfall. Nobody can deny that.
Yes.
But why this kind of landslides are happening within the few few years interval in the Darjeeling Hills? That is the most important thing. Though we should consult the state government and the GTA should consult the expert in this regard, because these areas are very prone to even the earthquake also. So that much of concretion that those are happening nowadays, is it suitable for the Darjeeling Hills, or we need some expert view? Those and that should be implemented in near future so that we can avoid this kind of concretization and this kind of landslide. It has already.
While you talk about that, there is another version that's coming in from the Trinamool Congress. They talk about floods in Bhutan. They talk about how there needs to be a relook of the Indo-Bhutan River Commission. All of those aspects are also coming to fore from the Trinamool Congress, sir.
No, Trinamool Congress is always try to blame the central government. That is their, natural stance. So I don't want to comment, but the Honorable Prime Minister has already tweeted the things, and already NDRF and the other teams, those have been deployed in these areas. They are working hard to rescue the life of the people.
Right. Mr. Majumdar, thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast and sharing your views on this big story that we track out of the state of West Bengal. Remember, there have been many lives that have been lost because of rainfalls that have resulted in landslides and mudslides. There's also a response from the Trinamool Congress. Ms. Rita is in fact responding to all the allegations that have been made by the Bharatiya Janata Party against the West Bengal government. Let's take a look.
Mamata Banerjee has been long demanding this Indo-Bhutan River Commission. Even the West Bengal Assembly in its resolution 169 has passed the resolution demanding this Indo-Bhutan River Commission. But the central government has never paid any heed. There was a question, I had raised a question in Parliament on 11th of August 2025 that whether there are any plans to form the Indo-Bhutan River Commission. The government replied simply the simple no. But the situation, the people of Bengal, the forests of Bengal, the tea gardens of Bengal, the hills of Bengal, the common habitats of the people of Bengal, everything is in grave danger. This water coming from Bhutan and Sikkim is flooding the state. Our people are facing the danger, facing the calamity. But unfortunately, central government doesn't have any role to play.